Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at our proprietary stock scans for the coming session. This is going to be for May 24th, 2013. What we have right here is we've got definitely a condition where we're seeing mostly camouflage buy signals. We're down on the day for the most part, but we're well above the open in most of our major stocks. We do have a couple different things. We've got an upside CPS signal in both Apple and Amgen. That's a little bit of a different animal than the camouflage buy signals, but they're on the same side of the trade nonetheless. The only thing that's really kind of hanging out here by itself is Qualcomm, that has a downside CPS signal. Not seeing too many volume bumps, but there's definitely some good open-close deviations. We've got one in Amgen, and also a very, very aggressive one in Entertainment Arts, just a little bit less than 5% below the day's open, above the day's open rather. Moving on to the financials are pretty much the same side here. We're looking at mostly camouflage buy signals across the board, but we do have some better volume bumps here. The BAC has a volume bump to go with its signal. So does the Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, same thing. Definitely names that should be on your watch list for tomorrow. Moving on to the energy names, these are also better to buy. Mostly camouflage buy signals. We do have one upside CPS condition, that's in CHK. That one's notable because it's also on a volume bump. As far as the generals go, pretty much the same theme here, camouflage buy signals. We don't have any sell signals, but we do have a couple of CPS signals. Note this HPQ is an upside CPS signal and on really, really strong volume today. Moving on to the housing names, they're pretty strong also. We do have a volume bump today in Toll Brothers. That's about 2.5% above the day's open. Transportation names, same theme. Mostly CPS, camouflage buy signals across the board here. Unfortunately, none of them have volume bumps just yet, but we've got another half an hour before the close of trading today. And finally, the commodity names, a little less decisive just because of their nature. But we do have upside signals in a number of names. That'd be Alcoa, ACH, Freeport Copper, and U.S. Steel. None of these have volume bumps just yet, but Alcoa is getting close, and could pull one in before the close. Well, thanks for listening, and as always, this has been Rich for tradesight. Hope to see you again soon.